this video, I'll show you how to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Before we get started, this is a reminder that this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially something as risky as crypto. So first thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will give you $100 in trading fee credits. I'm going to actually show you a couple different ways that you can buy Shiba Inu on Binance. The first way is definitely the easiest. Is you're going to go right over here to the top right hand corner and tap on add funds. From here, we're going to select the first option, which is buy with euro. For you, it might be whatever your local currency is. We're going to tap on that. And from here, we're going to go right over here to where it says USD. We're going to tap on that arrow. And from this list, you can select your local currency. For example, if you're in Canada, you can search for Canada. If you're in Europe, you can use the euro. If you're in the USA, you can use USD. If you're in India, you can use the India rupee, and so on. So after you've selected your local currency, I'm going to stick with USD. I'm going to enter in the amount of USD that I want to pay for my Shiba Inu. For example, if I want $25 worth of Shiba Inu, I'll just put in $25 there. And right here where it says buy, we're going to tap on this arrow. And we're going to look for Shiba Inu. Go to this list. If you don't see Shiba Inu in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Shiba Inu. And right down here, we're going to select our payment method. Tap on the arrow. And these are the payment methods that come up for me. Yours might be different. If you have an account for any of those that show up for you, you can just log into that and use that. I'm going to select Visa MasterCard and tap on confirm. I'm going to go over here and add a new card. I'm going to enter in my card information. And when I'm done, I'm going to tap on confirm. You're going to tap here to proceed with the transaction. Confirm it on the next page within the time it allows. And that's the first way to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. Another way you can buy Shiba Inu on Binance is if you already have an asset in your account, such as USDT, we're going to go right over here and tap on trade. And from here, we're going to tap on the spot. And right here where it says ETH USDT, we're going to tap on this arrow. And right here in the search bar, we're going to type in Shiba Inu. And here are some options that come up. For example, SHIB and USDT is one of the more popular pairs. I'm going to tap on that. And right here, make sure you select buy. And you can select a limit order or a market order. A market order just basically means you're going to pay the current market price for Shiba Inu. For example, right here where it says total, I'm going to enter in the amount of Shiba Inu I want to buy and go right down here and tap on buy SHIB. Confirm the transaction, and that's a second way you can buy Shiba Inu on Binance. And another way we can buy Shiba Inu on Binance is actually by converting another asset you might have in your account or in your wallet and converting it into Shiba Inu. You can check what other assets you have in your account by tapping on the wallet icon. And after you've done that, you can just go right over here and tap on trade. And this time we're going to select the convert option. And from here on the from section, we're going to select the asset that you want to trade in for Shiba Inu. So for example, let's say I want to trade Chain GPT. I'm going to tap on that. And right here where it says to, I'm going to tap on this arrow next to Sol. And I'm going to select Shiba Inu out of this list. If you don't see it in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Shiba Inu. Now right here, we can enter in the amount of Shiba Inu that we want to buy. For example, let's say we want 780. Next, all we're going to do is tap on preview, confirm the transaction, and that's how to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.